So at long last, the increase in voting membership of the Jamaica Football Federation has been ratified. No longer will just 13 parish presidents dictate who run the nation's football. That number is now up to 56 local stakeholders with voting rights. On the face of it, a wider spread of representation should mean less cliquism and control and more transparency. That is on the face of it. JFF President Mike Ricketts is expressing support and confidence in the new numbers. And from what we're hearing on the ground, he should be. Because with the next voting Congress about a year away, we're not seeing any challenges on the horizon to Mr. Ricketts, not yet. But from what we're hearing, though, otherwise, is that whether it's 13 or 30 or 56 votes, Mr. Ricketts and his allies remain strategically and tactically in charge of the majority of the votes. Yes. We know that one here is a long time in politics, including in football politics. But Mr. Ricketts has things fully under control. Anyway, right now, it's not about the JFF. It's not even about the JFF president, Mr. Ricketts. It's all about Jamaica's football going forward. Yes, forward.